Hi all, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to the homemaking and gardening channel, and today I'm going to share with you how we repotted a Cymbidium orchid. First, let's see the soil preparation for it. To make the soil, we are using coconut husk, cocoa peat, cocoa fiber, leca balls, pine bark, cow dung, vermicompost, sand, neem cake powder, brick dust, charcoal, fungicide of around 6 grams, and leaf mold. You can take the quantity of each of the components as shown in the video. We prepared this soil mixture to plant 2 different orchids. This Cymbidium we are repotting today is a bulb, and it has a sweet story associated with it. As many of you know, from the video I shared that we had traveled to the Kalimpong hills in the Himalayas last summer in the month of May this year. If you have not watched the video and you're interested, I will link in the I button as well in the description box below. You can check Kalimpong series. Kalimpong is called the land of white orchids, but to our surprise, we could not find none in the nurseries for sale in the display. Actually, they were waiting for orchids to be sold in the month of monsoons. We talked to one of the nursery owner, and after seeing our videos in our channel and being compassionate of my husband's love for orchids, the owner lady agreed kindly to sell us a bulb of the Cymbidium. Our collection of orchids have so many varieties. If you want to see it, you can check in the description box below as well as in the I button. I am linking out here. But Cymbidium of all the species was missing, and finally we got one from Kalimpong. It seems Cymbidium is hard to grow in the weather of Kolkata, especially keeping in mind the kind of harsh summers we are experiencing of late. To repot the Cymbidium bulb, we have selected a pot which has perforated bottom. So after mixing the components together with hand, we are using it to repot the Cymbidium bulb. Initially we were skeptical of whether it would thrive and we can have new growth of it. Nevertheless, we were determined. Now you can see we are filling the pot with the medium, and we have to plant the bulb with new root growths in it. The bulb did not have new roots initially, but as we gave the Cymbidium bulb a resting phase in our place, lying it undisturbed, it developed new ones. And then we went ahead and planted it in the middle of the month of June. After we planted the Cymbidium bulb successfully in the media, we spread fungicide of 2 grams per liter ratio in water and let it rest in a place which gets some amount of diffuse sunlight in the morning, and we watered it a little on top soil every 15 days to keep it just moist. And after 2 months, yes, you can see new leaves could be seen emerging from the bulb, and by God's grace our Cymbidium thrived. We are so happy about it, and when it blooms first we will be sharing it with you all. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care. Bye bye.